In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar date picker in Google Sheets. This is a really handy feature if you're working with forms, schedules, reports, or anything that relies on accurate dates. Instead of typing dates manually and risking typos or inconsistent formats, you can let people choose a date from a small calendar pop-up right inside the cell. First, open the Google Sheet where you want to use the date picker. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have edit access to this spreadsheet, because you'll be changing the data validation settings. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to think about which cells will contain dates. It could be a single column like due date, or a whole range, such as a start and end date for multiple rows. Next, click and drag to select the cells where you want the date picker to appear. You can select one cell, an entire column, or even non-adjacent ranges if you hold down the modifier key while clicking. Getting this selection right at the beginning will save you from having to repeat the steps later. With the cells selected, go up to the top menu and click on Data. From the drop-down, choose Data Validation. This is where Google Sheets controls what kind of data each cell is allowed to accept. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen, or as a pop-up depending on your layout. In the Criteria section, open the drop-down and select Date. Once you choose Date, Sheets automatically knows that these cells should only accept valid calendar dates. You can also customize this if you want to restrict the range of dates, like only allowing future dates or dates between specific start and end points. This is optional, but it's useful if, for example, you're collecting booking dates that can't be in the past. Make sure the option to reject invalid input is turned on if you want to prevent people from typing anything that isn't a valid date. Then, click Done to apply your settings. Now test it. Click on one of the cells you just formatted. You should see a small calendar icon appear on the right side of the cell. When you click that icon, a calendar will pop up, and you can simply click a date to insert it. The date will be added in a consistent format, and you can always change how it looks by adjusting the number format from the Format menu. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a calendar date picker to your Google Sheet, making your data entry cleaner, faster, and much more reliable.